So just want to share no sa mga first quarter natin, January, February, and March, mga performance ng LTO Region 11. For the driver's license and student permit issued, compared to last year to no, na first quarter, medyo decrease tayo ng about 6%. Ang reason nito, some of the driver's license, kung napansin nyo naman, 5 years and 10 years na validity. So talagang magkakaroon talaga to ng long-term effect pagdating sa mga renewal ng driver's license. Then regarding din sa application ng student permit, strictly implementing din talaga po yung 15 hours na theoretical driving course before a student or an applicant can apply for a student permit. No? So may mga procedure po na kailangan nating sundin. Then for MB registration, yes, may increase po sa mga sasakyan ang nagpaparehistro po for the compared to last year, about 0.20%. Maliit pero malaking bagay rin, no? Kasi it still reflects revenue collection for the national government. Then sa huli naman, yes, may increase tayo ng 16% no, compared to first quarter of last year. No? So in general, meron po tayong 3% total no, sa license registration and sa mga apprehension. No, 3% sa whole na yon. Increase, 3% increase. Then, just want to share na rin, no, upcoming new extension offices. Bago to, approved na, meron ng office order, approved by our Assistant Secretary. One is Bansalan, next is Laak, Lupon, Baganga. No? So currently, these offices, extension offices, inaayos na po yung facilities, yung building. And hopefully by mid this year or third quarter of this year, fully operational na itong apat na extension offices natin. Then meron pong recently, just last week, inspected by the technical working group coming from the central office, the Pantukan Extension Office and the SASA Extension Office. No? Malaking bagay itong extension office no, to maximize the services of the agency sa mga kababayan natin na medyo malayo na rin talaga sa sentro. No?
So ilan na yung extension office ng LTO, sir?
Meron tayong existing ngayon, which is yung Kalinan. Fully operational siya since last year, September. And upcoming ang apat, kasi approved na talaga to, may office order na. Then, recently inspected yung dalawa na Pantukan and Sasa. So in total,
yes.
7, no? We're expecting 7 extension offices this year for the year na.
Yung sa Pantukan is inspected meaning?
Antay namin yung recommendation. No? Kailangan kasi may inspection coming from the technical working group, especially as to the facilities, kung sa working conditions din ng employees, at the same time yung client natin, no? To check also kung yung office din ba, siyempre may kailangan i-comply, like yung comfort room is one, the waiting area is another, the internet supply is also another, no? And the stability of the electricity. Yeah. So far,
So lahat ng services, sir, ng dito sa regional office natin, yun din ang services offered ng LTO sa mga extension offices?
yes po, tama po. Kung ano po yung serbisyo ng isang district office, like yung dito sa Davao City North, Davao City South, the other regular district offices outside of Davao City, the same services po ang i-offer ng extension offices. Meron pong application ng student permit, meron pong driver's education center para sa mga gusto mag-seminar ng theoretical driving course, registration of vehicles, meron din pong application of new driver's license, and eventually, law enforcement will come in. Ganoon naman po, pag meron pong bagong LTO na makikreate sa mga ibang municipalities, papasok po ang law enforcement sa area to maintain peace and order din po. And of course, to yung compliant natin sa road safety. No?
So yung sa mall, sir, ba't hindi na natin nabalik yung dati sa SM na meron tayong satellite office?
Meron pa rin tayong sa mall, ma'am. No? One in Tagum, one in Digos, and 2 here sa Davao City. No? Mall-based LTO, kailangan po yan ng private proponent. No? Yung extension offices natin are LGU support. No? So si LGU, gumawa po sila ng city municipal resolution supporting this activity and the creation of the office approved by the mayor, and the regional office will enter into a MOA, Memorandum of Agreement, with the LGU, creating such extension office. Then from there, papa-approve po natin sa Assistant Secretary.
Pero the employers, the workers are paid by LTO.
Yes po. So on the part sa office, meron po kaming i-assign na mga organic, no, yung mga plantilla, regular employees po sa mga extension offices na to.
Same services.
Same services po yan lahat. So ano lang, in-extend lang talaga namin yung mga district offices, no? Nanganak lang siya into extension, parang gano'n. Para ma-reach out din po namin yung mga malalayong mga munisipyo. And in terms of law enforcement for the first quarter, a total of 21,837 na apprehensions, no? 21,837 apprehensions for the first 3 months. Andiyan na po yung seatbelt natin na nasa 2,885. Using cellphone while driving, 102. Helmet is 3,456. Then meron po tayong drunk driving na 12. And other violations na po yung 14,632. No. Other violations, yan na po yung failure to yield pedestrians, illegal parkings, no. Nandiyan na po, composite na po sila. Then for colorum apprehensions, meron po tayong total of 48 for the 3-month period sa first quarter. And just want to add also yung mga special projects natin, yung Project Boss, Safe and Pasada, no? Yung community outreach ng LTO office. For the Boss, ito po yung mga sa barangay outreach services support. Total number outreach conducted is 68. This is for the region-wide na. For the whole region, 68 outreach sa mga barangays. For the Project Safe naman po, ito yung sa mga schools, no, na activities natin. We have 22 outreach conducted sa mga schools. Sa pasada natin, ito po yung sa mga, pwede to sa PNP, pwede sa AFP, sa mga service bureaus natin, no? Or recently yung mga parolees natin, no? Nag-outreach kami dyan. About 18 outreach conducted. A total of 108 outreach conducted. And a total of TTC issued is 13,483. Student permit issued is 11,889. And driver's license renewal, 876. And a total number of motor vehicle registration is 1,725 as a total na yun. Yan po yung first quarter natin na mga activities and accomplishments.